Hello folks, this is Staying Young with Dr. Young. I decided to take you outdoors, went for a walk, and this is a beautiful, beautiful sunset. So instead of seeing my face staring at you through the camera at my office, at least you get some variety. You get some Mother Nature, and then at other times you'll see my face looking at you. So Staying Young with Dr. Young is a no-frills type of a channel where I share with you the wisdom of youth, the science of living, and how to lose weight naturally, how to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. But our focus is on health. To help you lose the 40 pounds, this is what happened to me, and I'll show you my pictures where you'll see me before and after. I've lost 40 pounds in 90 days. I was active, but most importantly, I was eating this organic fruit that you can buy at any grocery store in America. It's organic. You can find it in all 50 US states. Nobody talks about it because they cannot make money off of it. But it has certain enzymes that kickstart your metabolism early in the morning if you eat it on an empty stomach. And I'm going to share with you how it's done, how to have your early morning water routine, you know, how you say your meditation, your prayers over water that you're going to be drinking from a glass, and this water would be filtered, and I highly recommend that you marinate it in the fridge with 3 slices of lemon. It has antiseptic properties. Never plastic, always glass. And even if you have filtered water, Dr. Wilson and I, we have basically documentary evidence that even filtered water contains up to 40,000 shards of glass and plastic in it. Even filtered water, reverse osmosis, it doesn't make any difference what. So we can't get away from microplastics and micro other particles. And so it's a big problem. But we're going to discuss all that. So the only thing that we have left to consume salads, nuts, and that's about it, folks. No fish, because I'll tell you a story how we almost lost our business associate in Florida. He got on this very expensive diet, organic wild-caught salmon, and he almost died within 6 months. He collapsed on the floor, and doctors have found something like 400 times the allowed amount of heavy metals in his body that came from fish. So in other words, it's all a bogus claim that wild-caught, it's never wild-caught. We don't even know where it comes from. Somewhere in the middle of nowhere, from China, from the Indian Ocean. God knows where it's coming from, but it's not good. It's highly toxic, and you will see our test results at the office. The same goes for honey. If you think it says organic honey, you should watch the investigative journalist from Canada exposing how the Chinese honey black market oversaturated everything in America and around the world, essentially. $350 billion industry globally, and it's deadly. It kills your pancreas, kidneys, and you die. So for 26 years I've been buying really raw honey that I thought it was really raw honey, organic honey from Baltimore, Maryland. And then finally during the pandemic I realized mathematically it was not possible, folks. It was not possible to have the same amount of honey being delivered to all the grocery stores across America. 350 million Americans could pay $16 for that 2-pound jar of honey at any grocery store in America, and that's not mathematically possible because it takes something like 2,000 honeybees, 2 months to produce that much honey. And to be able to feed 350 million Americans without any problems, that means it's synthetic honey that came in from China. Dirt cheap, and it's very deadly. And so I stopped consuming honey after that because it was just really an awakening for me. I called even the company. They told me it comes from upstate New York. And how could all that honey comes from upstate New York from a few farmers? I mean, it's just unbelievable. So anyway, folks, I'm not trying to blame them. I'm just saying I just quit consuming honey because I don't think it's safe to consume. Mostly it's synthetic honey, unless you know the person who actually has beehives in his backyard. Of course you could partake in that kind of a wonderful union with the nature's best herbal remedy, but where are you going to find it? How many of us have this kind of luxury of knowing someone who has beehives in their backyard that you can trust? So anyway, folks, this channel is no frills. We talk about how to be healthy, how to lose weight, how to be smart about everything we do. And today I decided to take you outdoors and let you enjoy it while I was walking, going on a walk. So this is it. Staying Young with Dr. Young comes out on a daily basis. I want to wish you all the best. You'll learn the wisdom of living and the science of youth on this channel. All comes from Dr. Young, who is here to keep you young and healthy. Take care, God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy the sunset, by the way.